I've been trying to make you love me, but everything I try just takes you further from me.
I've been seeing a bunch of these on eBay, and I've been wanting to buy one. Alright, we're back. Alright, the good thing about this is that it does swivel. See it? Also, this stiffness, it's almost dropped it. It's adjustable by these screws that are in here. More than likely, camera's not going to focus that well, but there's one screw. There's another screw on this side. More screws. You could adjust the flexing of this, of the top piece, or you can adjust the flexing of this other piece right here. See it? And all that by these screws, which is cool. Let me see. It's not as bright as I thought. That's high. It's low. Can't even tell. Yeah, a little bit. And the flashlight. The flashlight, for sure you can't see nothing. So you go over here or something. Darkness. The little flashlight. Right. Overall, this flashlight's been pretty decent. I hate that it is like a blue tint. So if you're using it at nighttime, you'll see a bluish tint to it. And the button is a little cheap. The sides are kind of sharp on it. I don't know if you guys can see that, but that part right there is pretty sharp. This part is really sharp. And you can feel that every time you click that button. You can feel that sharpness. You can feel that like really sharp feel to it. It's kind of weird. Magnet. I'm sure you guys want to see the magnet. As a surface, this kind of slips. Not sure if it's this piece that makes it slip, but it does slide. But it does stick. It's so light that it doesn't need a strong magnet. But I feel like that receding of the magnet, it's weakening it. So maybe it is a strong magnet. Maybe it's not. Maybe it's just me tripping, but honestly, it's got a pretty strong magnet for how light it is. Hold on a second. But let's go real fast. Check out the Braun. Man, it made this thing really good. The only bad part is the cheap plastic that they decided to put on this thing. I think the reason the magnet sucks on this, it's not only because it's like receding. It's like receding in there. You guys can't see, but when I open this, it is kind of it's not flush. It's just like receding inside. And it's not a circular one, like how I was thinking that it was. I thought it was going to be like this circle was going to be the magnet, or this whole circle right here on the bottom was going to be the magnet, but no. Turns out there's only a square, and it's receding. You guys can probably see that a little bit. It's just a square, and that's it. So I'm assuming that's why it's not as strong. Because if you compare it to this quantum, you can see that that magnet is a circle. And this quantum is pretty heavy. It's too heavy for the magnet, but the magnet is strong. And on this one, you have to get it just right. Otherwise, it would drop it. But you would assume that they would put like a circle to make it solid. It's got a micro USB port. It does have a light indicator. Red for when it's charging and green for when it's done charging. So it's got that. Not sure if I mentioned the hook already, but it does have a little hook on the bottom. It's a little useless. There's that shoe that I kicked earlier. Move it out of the way. There is only one cycle that this thing goes through. So this button has to be pressed at least 5 times, maybe 3 times. Let me see. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. You have to press it 4 times before it can turn off completely. So if you're using it, you know, you're using it, you're trying to light up the place, you're trying to light up the joint. Just wait a little bit. Okay. Let me see. Off. Nope. Off. Nope. Off. It turned off. Crazy. So this thing always has to constantly follow that damn cycle, which sucks. If you hold on to it, you'll get this red one. Maybe you have to click twice only, and then you can finally turn it off. But it's a hassle to keep trying to do that all the time when you're working on stuff or whatever it is that you're lighting up. Overall, for the money, for the price, for the compactness of this, you put it in your pocket or whatever, I still love it. I still like it. I just wish that the light was brighter. That's my only big issue with this. The way they advertise it, they make it sound like this is the brightest thing in the world and it's gonna be good. It's got a bunch of lumens, but don't get your hopes up. I haven't made a video in so long that I'm not even sure how to make a video anymore. But if you would like to see more, please rate, comment, and subscribe. And let me know what you did like and let me know what you didn't like. For sure, a lot of people are going to complain about moving the camera like this. I don't have another person here to really help me with that, so maybe use a tripod next time. Overall, have a love and hate relationship with this flashlight, and I'm sure if you buy it, you will too. Thanks for watching.
I've been trying to make you love me, but everything I try just takes